All right, hello, my fellow investors. It's the Intelligent Investor here. And before I start the video, just understand that I do my research on all the stocks I recommend. Again, they're just my thoughts. I am a financial advisor, but I am not giving you financial advice. So just understand that these are all my opinions, and this is what I think and what I do in my own personal head. So, also, like I said before, I'm a financial advisor, so if you want financial advice or any of that good stuff and want to hire me, then you can. I picked up so many clients since I started, and like I said, I work with everyone. I'm not one of those people that, tries to be in it for the money. I'm here to help you guys and help you guys in every aspect of your life to be successful and make some money. So, like I said, I work with everybody's budget. I'm not a greedy person, so hit me up if you want that. Also, like I said, I am sponsored by Acorns, so use the link in the description down below so you can sign up for Acorns. Throughout this whole crazy, you have to have some diversity portfolios, and Acorns is a good place to actually go. And if you're young, go aggressively. If you're not, go moderately. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's start the video. So, the way I'm going to start this video is people are telling me, are you going to leave Robinhood? I'm not going to leave Robinhood. Maybe not yet. Why? Because I understand that whatever is going with Robinhood and stuff like that, it's pretty much out of their hands. And why do I say that? Because the corporations that sponsor, I'm not going to say names, sponsor Robinhood are forcing them to do what they have to do. They can say no, but if they say no and the stock is being bought or traded and the company that they're working with is not doing the trade, then your account is going to say negative money. So I understand that Robinhood's hands are tied, and I'm not trying to defend them, of course, but they have to do what they have to do in a way, because if they don't, these huge, powerful corporations are going to be destroying them. So at the end, they'll be like, we'll take the fine, and we'll have to suck it up for the big corporations to survive because they're the ones with all the power. And Louis Rossmann, I don't know, you can look him up. He has some good videos on that, so you can actually check what some of the corporations are doing, that they're, they go to the top of the government, the Secretary of Treasury used to be a hedge fund manager, and it looks like, she's going to kind of help them and protect them. So it shows you that corruption's all the way to the top. These politicians, all that, they're corrupt. Not all of them, but most of them are. And they're protected by them. So that's what we call the establishment. That's what the establishment is. They protect themselves and they protect the money, which are part of the big hedge funds. So have that in mind. But again, whatever you guys doing, if you guys are investing in GameStop, AMC, all that stuff, power to you. Keep the shares. Take your money, and again, like I've said, invest only where you're willing to risk. And a lot of people tell me, hey, should I be selling? I tell them, I'm not going to get into whenever you're going to sell or whatever. You're investing at your own risk. I'm not going to tell you because, like I always say, only invest where you're willing to risk. Okay? I bought about, what was it? I said like 200 shares of Nokia. So that's what, at about $5. I invested about more than $1,000, and I'm willing to lose all of that. So if I lose $1,000, I'm like, okay, I'm out. Like, I don't care. That's money I was ready to lose. And that's a mentality you have to have when you're investing, especially in risky, super risky stocks like this, where things can just go down quickly. So if you're investing, don't invest your rent, don't invest your life savings, and don't go crazy because you think you're going to get rich quick. Nobody really gets rich quick. The people that do get rich quick is people that are really ballsy, that just go all out and get the luck. Okay? So just have that in mind. Don't be selfish and don't be greedy, because that's where you lose. And just have that mentality. You get me? The guy that did the Wall Street bets, he was up 20 million, and then yesterday he was down 10 million. So he went from 20 to 10 million, and he still stuck it up. You guys would have been out. Most of you guys would have been like, shit, I'm down I'm down 10 million. Like, what the heck? You're going to jump out and panic and boom, give up the line. So people like that have a stronger mentality. They know what they're doing. They know what they're searching for, and they do it. Same thing with me. There's not a lot of investors like us where, they're patient. You have to be patient if you're going to be an investor. You have to ride out the heaviness and eventually jump back up with it. So mentality, like I've always said in all my videos, is the key part to succeeding in the market. Um, Now, like I said, I'm not defending Robinhood about any of that stuff, but that thing goes to the top. So their hands are full. They have to do what they have to do because they're being forced to do it. These powerful people, they have the power, So they're just trying to survive, honestly. Because like I said, I had Fidelity, and the same thing was happening. They were limiting trades and all that stuff, and that was happening all over the platforms. It wasn't just Robinhood. Robinhood was the biggest one because they're the most popular one with small investors. So that's the only reason it's getting so much popularity. They're taking the hit from everybody, you know? So like I said, all E-Trade was doing it, Fidelity was doing it, Weibo was doing it. All these individual companies that were doing trades were also doing it. But the reason Robinhood took all the heat is because everybody uses Robinhood because it's the easiest thing. You just download it on your phone and boom, simple trading. So that's why I said I'm just going to stick with Robinhood for a while unless they completely end up collapsing, and then, yeah, I'll jump out. But I'm staying good for now. They have a good platform, good reinvestments, buying fractional shares, the margin, everything they do. I mean, I'm cool with it so far, still. And I'm probably going to get hate, but I'm sorry. Like, I mean, you guys are all still on Robinhood pretty much, so don't judge. But what did I do today? I mean, people are like going crazy over these 6 stocks, GameStop, whatever, Nokia, AMC, all that good stuff. But that caused a lot of these stocks to drop down. As you see, I'm in the red big time. But for me, I'm not scared. Like I said, I'm down, what is it, 300 and something or 270. I don't care. I mean, I bought more into AT&T, so the stock dropped under 29, which was, for me, it was a buy. Coca-Cola's in my buying position. They'll probably get to closer to more of the buying position. Apple dropped where I kind of had to load up a bit. In my Fidelity portfolio, I have more money there, so I can buy bigger chunks. But one thing I did decide was to keep APXT. I was thinking about doing a swing trade, selling it right before it merges, make a profit. But I'm planning on keeping it now. The more I'm doing research on this company, the more I'm liking it. I'll be doing a video on APXT and EXPC probably this weekend. I'll do one day and one the other if I have time. And I'll let you guys know why I'm keeping them. But this is what my portfolio is looking at so far. I do have 7 companies. Like I said before, I've only kept 5, and that was kind of my rule. But I'm going to give this a little try. I'm going to break my rule a little bit. If I lose money, then I knew I shouldn't have gone out my comfort zone. But so far, the time that I've had, I'm constantly doing step by step, and always keeping up with these stocks, looking at their news constantly. And I mean, it's taking a lot of time. And doing my financial work, my financial advisor work is taking up a lot of time. I mean, I'm working with a bunch of clients as well. And, I'm going to work for a big corporation now. So, yeah, it's going to be something. So, I mean, I'm going to do my best to give you guys out the best information I can, give it to you as quickly as possible. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. If you guys did like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. I want you guys to subscribe so I can hit 5,000 subscribers. Once that happens, then I'll try to give away free stocks. Yes, you can do that. I can buy stocks and send them to you and stuff like that. So I can do that and do gift cards and stuff like that. So that'll be pretty cool. But I want to hit 5,000 subscribers. And also use the link in the description down below. Like I said, I'm sponsored by Acorns. So use it. It's a great platform to actually invest in. It's something you can actually set up, not worry about it. And in 10 years from now or 5 years from now, you're going to see that portfolio and you're going to be like, I'm glad I did that. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. So peace out, be safe, enjoy, make the money, but make it safely. So that's it, guys. Peace out.